Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So in this video, I am going to tell you about 30 days plan for GATE 2021 for GATE Metallurgy, and also I will discuss some points which you should keep in your mind within this 30 days and also during the examination period, so that you can relieve your pressure. You can avoid the silly mistakes due to that pressures. Okay, so this video is very important for GATE Metallurgy aspirants and for every GATE 2021 aspirants. Okay, so please watch this video and share this video as much as you can with your friends. Okay, so I hope that you all have finished your syllabus till now. Okay, so if you have finished your syllabus, so I will write here. If you finished your syllabus, that is revised syllabus for GATE 2021, and also you have already understood the question pattern, like they have included MSQs in this GATE exam, that is multiple select questions, so one or more than one may be correct. Okay, for this type of questions. So in GATE exam they will ask 65 questions, and out of this 65, 55 will be of core, and here if we will talk about metallurgy part, so that will be of MT, and the 10 questions will be for from GA, that is general aptitude section. Okay, so these are the two sections here, and these two sections basically this core section will of 85 marks, and in this 85 marks engineering mathematics is included. Okay, so engineering maths is in core part only, and this general aptitude part basically consists of some of the general aptitude. You can go through the previous year papers for having the idea of these general aptitude questions. Okay, so you will get 15 marks more or less in this section, so this total will be 100 marks. So the paper is of 100 marks, and total duration allotted for this paper is 3 hours. Okay, so this GATE exam is very important for you, because you can go into the PSUs, you can take admissions in higher studies for higher studies, if you will qualify this GATE metallurgy, if you will qualify this GATE 2021. Okay, so assuming that you have finished your syllabus of GATE 2021 till now, that is because today is 14th Jan, and here I'm recording on 14th January. That's why I'm telling you like that 30 days plan. Okay, so if you have finished your syllabus, please try to start your revisions. Okay, so if you will start your revision, by revision, during this revision period, you will get your uh, strength and your and weakness. Okay, so by revision, for doing this revision, you should prepare the formula sheet. Okay, so formula sheet is very important, and you can prepare this formula sheet subject wise, so that you can revise it daily. Okay, so if you will prepare subject wise formula sheet, suppose in any subject there is a lot of numerical portion, so you can create the formula sheet and you can revise daily subject wise. Okay, so that will be beneficial for you if you will you will do the revision through this formula sheet daily. Okay, because you cannot cover whole syllabus on this in this revision period. Okay, so a revision may be done by also by using the short notes you have written during the finish of this syllabus. Okay, so this short notes is also very crucial, very important for GATE exam. Okay, so this will be beneficial for GATE 2021 also, and this formula sheet is very important. Okay, and you should revise this formula sheet two times in a day. Okay, two times in a day, if you will revise, if you will able to do this formula sheet, that by that way you can avoid the silly mistakes by using the formula for in numerical portion basically. And also I will tell you, please try to make a chart for units. Okay, chart of unit conversion or unit, you may say, if you are weak in this field. Okay, if you cannot remember the units, so you can do like that. Okay, so chart for unit conversion, and this chart, you should revise this chart daily. Okay, so this is also a important point. Use virtual calculator use virtual calculator during this revision period. Okay, so this virtual calculator is also plays an important role during gate exam, because you need to use this virtual calculator by using mouse every time in exam, and again you have to write on your paper by using the pen. So that is also a tough thing during the examination, during that pressure. Okay, so use this virtual calculator, and if you will be habitual of this virtual calculator, that will be good for you. Okay, so the virtual calculator is very important. Okay, so the next thing is that you may also remember the constant. Okay, that is universal constant value, common constants value, so that although in gate exam you will get these constant values, but if you will go through that page, you will be losing your some time in that doing that thing. Okay, so that's why I am advising you to write some common constant values like Boltzmann constant and gas constant. Okay, and Avogadro number, these values, and try to make the chart of these values and try to remember these things. Okay, so this will be also beneficial uh, uh, for your gate 2021. Okay, so the next thing is that revision, for revision you can use the gate previous year paper. Okay, so in gate previous year paper you can do 1 marks question and 2 marks questions separately. Okay, so I will suggest you go through at least 15 years paper. Okay, 15-year paper, previous year papers. Okay, so that will be beneficial. And sometimes in gate metallurgy, if we will talk about particularly gate metallurgy, they repeat the questions from previous year also. Okay, and in form of matching type of questions, and also sometimes in numerical type of problems. Okay, so please try to go through this 15-year papers, that will be very beneficial. Okay, and I will advise you, please don't go with the wrong answers only. Okay, so just for satisfaction purpose, you cannot do the previous year paper. Okay, for this purpose, you can follow our gate metallurgy syllabus, gate metallurgy practice series. Okay, so that you can have idea about how to attempt the questions, how to avoid the silly mistakes in gate exam. Okay, so the next thing is that test series. So please try to take this test series, any test series you can choose, and you can take the test in those series, because this test series only is the thing that will tell you your weakness part and the strength of your preparation. Okay, so this test series is very important. Taking this test series is very important in any exam, or in gate metallurgy particularly. Okay, so this test series will tell you what is the problem, what is the weakness, what is the strength in your preparation, and how you can prepare more for those subjects. Okay, so by this way, if you will get the weakness of those subjects, so you can focus more on your weaker portion. Okay, so focus on your weak portion, and this is a very important thing in any examination preparation. Okay, and for the time management, I will suggest you can prepare your timetable, and you can accordingly give 8 to 9 hours per day for now, till 13th of Feb. Okay, and on 14th you have exam, so till 13th Feb you can give the 8 to 9 hours for your preparation, for your revision, and any other thing. Okay, which is related to your gate exam. Okay, so this is very important also, so that if you will able to give 8 to 9 hours per day, so you will be good in your preparation strength. Okay, so the next thing is that if you have any short tricks, so you can use that short tricks in exam also. Just before using these short tricks, verify at your end that is it valid for all questions or not. Okay, just don't go through the short tricks just for doing the questions. Okay, so please try to use short tricks in exams also, but be sure that that short tricks is correct for every question. Okay, so work plan. So the next thing is that you can create a work plan for exam hall also. Like if you have these two sections, which section you will be doing first, and among these two sections, first you will do 1 mark question, or or 2 marks question that you may assume already. Okay, so before going into the examination, you can have idea, you should have a work plan, you should have 2 or 3 alternative plans, like if the paper will be tough, what should we do during the examination. So that will be beneficial. Okay, and also be ready for any changes in examination. Okay, so that at the system in during the gate exam, during the gate exam, you will get a question paper which will be new for you, but if you will spend some time with that paper, that will be good for you. Okay, so just please try to make a work plan, like from where you will start, from core part or from general aptitude part, or whether you will do 1 mark question first, or whether you will do 2 marks question. And also try to maintain the accuracy in examination. Accuracy, don't do the negative marking in examination, so that if you will maintain your accuracy, so that will be good. If suppose the exam will be of low cutoff, so accuracy will play an important role in that case. Okay, so just don't do the questions if you don't have the confidence in that questions. Okay, so please try to maintain your accuracy also in gate exam, so that these are the things you should remember. Okay, and suppose if you find any problem, any demotivation kind of thing, so you can contact us on Instagram page, and you can also talk us on telephone or mobile phone. Okay, so please don't hesitate by contacting us. Okay, so if you feel any problem during the preparation, or in any kind of thing, so you can contact us on our Instagram page. Okay, so thank you guys for your attention. Hope you understood these tricks and plans for 30 days. And if you have already a plan, then don't go with this plan also. Okay, and if you will follow these plans, these tricks, that will really work. Okay, so please try to share this video with your friends and your juniors. Okay, so thank you.